with my other hand
Why?
because my other hand is hurt.
Oh.
Because me and my mom and dad get hurt. But someday I'll get okay now. I can still draw with my other hand.
You love drawing?
Yeah! Drawing is my favorite.
You do?
Yeah. And drawing is fun.
Patingin na na-draw mo?
This
Anong
is
emotion niya?
the first one I drew.
Na isa lang yung gumagalaw mong kamay?
No,
Na isa lang yung gumagalaw na kamay mo?
no.
Only one hand is...
Yes, I only got out this hand.
Oo, only one, no?
Yeah, but I can't move this hand because it hurts.
I feel bad for you. I'm sorry.
It's okay. Sometimes, maybe I'll get better.
I'm glad you are
And this
optimistic person. You
and
always
this is
think
the other
positive.
drawing.
Patingin?
Look,
Oh, anong emotion niya?
I don't know.
She's pretty.
And about this one.
She's pretty too. She's winking. Paano yung winking?
I don't know how to wink in my other eye. I'm just a kid. I don't know how to do it yet.
It's okay. Okay. What are you gonna say na?
Goodbye, guys. I'll miss you.